Hi everyone! In this video I'm going to show you how to set up Asus ROG Rapture GT6 as a repeater. Key point that you have to keep in mind that Asus routers can repeat only Wi-Fi networks created by other Asus routers, but also can be used as a wired access point with another router of any other brand. In this video I'm going to show you both options, so let's get into it. First, you need to create the basic Wi-Fi network using one of these routers as a main unit, and the second one will extend this Wi-Fi network range. Also, you can use any other Asus Wi-Fi router, but we will use Rapture GT6 itself. So you need to power on the device. You have the power button over here and connect it to the internet. You need to plug in the Ethernet cable to the blue labeled port like this, and the second end of this cable should be connected to your internet source, like modem or LAN socket in the wall, or you can even connect it to another router. But if your router is weaker than this one, I recommend you to use this unit as a main and connect all other routers to the most powerful, something like this. Next, install the Asus Router application on your smartphone. It's available both in App Store and Google Play Store, so open this app. On the first screen, scroll all the way down and tap on I am above the age of 16 years. Agree. Agree one more time. This is the welcome screen, just wait for loading. Once you see this screen, tap on Setup, select Asus Wi-Fi routers. Now you have two options. You can manually connect to the router's network. To do this, you need to open your Wi-Fi settings. And you need to make sure that you connect into the router you're setting up as a main unit. So look at the product label. Here you have your default SSID, or in other words, network name. So you need to connect to your main router's Wi-Fi network without password, but personally I prefer to scan QR code. Here are some permissions required to use your location. Let's allow this, and to find devices on local networks. It's also very important, so allow. Now enable camera and scan. Allow to have access to the camera. Now scan the product label on the bottom of your main router like this. Tap on join. Now it's searching for your router. You see now it's blinking, and let's get started. Tap on that. It's detecting the internet connection, then it will connect your router and create a network. You will have to enter the network name and password, and this process takes about 3 minutes entirely. So on this step you have to contact your internet provider to get the information about special requirements. If you don't have any special requirements, you don't need to do anything. Otherwise, just check this checkbox and select the requirement from this list. So, but in my case, let's just tap on next and create the network SSID. Let's name it Asus network for this example, and create a password. You have to enter at least 8 symbols. I recommend a stronger password than mine. And then hit done. This is a suggestion to use stronger password, but simple password is good for this example. Next, you need to create your local account to enter your router's settings from web interface or from other smartphones. So username is admin, but you can use any username you wish, and let's create password. Also simple password for this example, and confirm your password. Just enter it one more time. You can tap on I icon, by the way, to see what you type in, and hit done, and next. Yes. So now it's setting up, and you just have to wait about 2 minutes and you're all set. The system will be up and running. If you see this screen new firmware available, just update it. Now you can see the ROG logo on your main router turns red. It means it's already connected, and it's just finalizing your network and update the firmware. And the indicator on the secondary router is blinking. It means it tries to connect to your main router automatically via Wi-Fi. You need to keep the secondary router close to your main router in this case, and after the connection is established you can move it somewhere in Wi-Fi dead zone in a range of about 50 feet, but I recommend you 30 to 40 feet. Now the application wants to join your new Wi-Fi network, so allow this, tap on join, and it's optimizing the network, so wait a couple of minutes more. Finally, your network is created, and here is your summary: Wi-Fi name, Wi-Fi password, username and password. Now tap on finish, enable notifications or cancel notifications, by the way, so never mind, let's allow. And now this unit will automatically be connected to your network. Just wait for a while. This logo will turn red and you're all set. If in some reason it haven't been done automatically, you need to tap on the plus icon over here and tap on add AI mesh node. Then your secondary devices will appear on this screen. You need to tap on the device name and it will be connected. If in some reason you're waiting too long and nothing happens, you can reset this device. You have the reset button over here on the left side. You need to grab a pin and press and hold this button for about 3 seconds. But everything is alright this time. The device was connected automatically, and now this is your main router and this is your repeater. To check your network configuration, you need to stay on the home tab over here and tap on this house icon in the middle. Now you can see your internet source, your main router and the secondary router connected to it as a repeater over Wi-Fi. You can tap on any device and manage it from here. But let's move on to the next example, and for the next example let me use another router. This one is from TP-Link. Let's say you have just only one Asus router and wish to use it as wired access point, but keep in mind that actually your best router should be your main router, and we're doing it just for example so that you will know how to do it. As always, you need to connect your Asus router with your main router. So use Ethernet cable, plug it into the blue label port. This is the internet input, and the other end plug into output on your main router. Like this. You can use any of these ports, all of them are outputs. Next, in Asus Router application, complete the steps to create a new network first. You already know how to do it and this is necessary, so create a new network, and once it's created, go to settings and find system settings in this menu. Tap on system settings and tap on operation mode, but first make sure your smartphone is connected to the network of this router. Tap on operation mode and switch to access point. Now tap on apply. Continue. The system will reboot, and from now this router will work as an access point. Using the longer cable you can move it pretty far away from your main router, and even if you have more Asus units in Asus network, the whole network, the entire network, will work as an access point. And you will not be able to manage network settings because from now network settings will be managed by your main router, but you still can separate network names and passwords or create seamless network. To do this, set up the same network name and password for your access point, and your devices will be connected to the network seamlessly, automatically. After reboot, don't forget to reconnect to your access point, so tap on OK, go back to Wi-Fi settings, find your Asus network and connect to it. And that's pretty it, guys. I hope this was helpful. If yes, consider to subscribe to our channel, hit the like button. Any questions, comment below, and be awesome. Bye guys.